Hey, room 10, here it is. This science time again. Go ahead and get out those science books, pull them out of your backpacks or pull them off the desk, wherever you got them. Let's open up to page 70. We're at page 70 today. Hopefully you can see me nice and good and I'm shiny and shiny. Um, so, let's rock and roll. Today we're talking about mixtures. You guys ready for mixtures? Let's do this thing. I think most of you have seen a mixture like this before, especially like around 4th of July. Got some red, white, and blue going on there. You know, America. Got to represent. All right, so let's talk about mixtures. Go ahead and follow along in your book with me, and let's do this thing. It says, sometimes different substances combine without going through chemical changes. A mixture consists of two or more substances that are physically combined. Now, unlike the molecules in a compound, each particle in a mixture keeps its identity. Think of a snack mix like this one right here. So that could include pretzels, could have peanuts, raisins, M&Ms, whatever. The pretzels, peanuts, and raisins did not change to become other substances. They still kept their own physical properties. They didn't become anything else. They stayed the same. Awesome. The amount of each substance in a mixture may vary. If your family likes lots of raisins, you could add more raisins to your snack mix. You could also add other substances such as crackers, maybe candy pieces like some M&Ms. Sometimes I like to pick the M&Ms out of mine. You know, like I go to Costco and get the big like Kirkland bag, snack mix, and it's like yes. But M&M's just a little extra sugar. Maybe not the best idea for the diabetic, know what I'm saying? I'll check that stuff out and just eat the rest of it. Now, each substance in a mixture, we're on paragraph 3 right now. If you're not with me, find down the page, go down 1, 2, 3, count down to 3. Each substance in a mixture can be separated from the mixture. So, since each substance keeps its properties, it may be identified and easily removed. You may like to pick all the peanuts out from the snack mix and eat them first. The peanuts look and taste different from the pretzels and the raisins. Yeah, sometimes I'm just not in the mood for almonds, so I'll pull the almonds out, chuck them, throw them to the chickens, something, So the matter in a mixture may sometimes undergo a physical change. A physical change includes changes of the physical properties such as the state of matter, its color, its texture, or taste. So we got strawberries and ice cream. They go through a physical change once we have made them into a milkshake. Now, combining the strawberries and the ice cream does not form a new substance, though. You can still taste both the strawberries and the ice cream. Like that flavor's still there, so it didn't really become a chemical change. It's still a physical change joining them together, but you can't really separate that mixture. It's not going to happen very well. Now, in some mixtures, the individual substances are not spread evenly throughout the mixture. An example of this kind of mixture would be granite. So, ask your parents, be like, Mom, Dad, are these counters granite countertops? You can go look at them, and they look like speckled stone where there's all kinds of little lines through it. It looks super cool. That would probably be granite. If you look really closely at a piece of granite, you will notice there are several kinds of minerals that looks like they've been mixed to form it. However, the minerals are not mixed evenly throughout all the granite. Each piece of granite may have a different mixture of minerals in it. There's an example in the top right-hand corner, the next page, on page 71 up in the top, kind of the middle, I guess. There's a picture of some granite. You can see how it looks like all kinds of different minerals are all mixed together there. Now, it's easy to identify some mixtures as being evenly mixed or not evenly mixed. You can easily see that vegetable soup is not evenly mixed. Likewise, if you look at the sand on a beach, you can see a variety of rocks and shells and all kinds of stuff in the sand, right? No two handfuls of sand are exactly alike that have the same substances in it. Unless the beach is like immaculate and beautiful and perfectly cleaned. Like, usually you'll have some rocks here or maybe some broken shells here and some whole shells here. It's not going to be the same. All right, they have a picture right there of, medicine. Sometimes the color in the medicine will separate down at the bottom, and you gotta shake it up. It says right on the package, like, shake well before you drink it or take it. Some mixtures separate if they sit for a long time. Orange juice, some of those liquid medicines. Paint is another one of those mixtures that will get, separated, like the water, the oil kind of separates out. So when you first open it up, you gotta mix it all up with the paint stir. These mixtures have labels that say shake well or mix well before using. Another thing that dads and moms might use is shaving cream. Shaving cream that many men use each morning is a type of mixture that is not evenly mixed. Shaving cream mixes a gas with a liquid to form a mixture called foam. Comes foaming out, and then you put it on there, and you gotta shave it all up, make it look pretty, or handsome, whatever. Sweet. Now, another type of mixture is an aerosol. So, ladies, some of my dudes out there, like if you're not into the pomade and the gel and stuff, you might use an aerosol to keep your hair going the way you want it to go. That's the chemical for the hairspray mixed with the gas that is forcing out that hairspray onto your hair, like. All right, that's one that makes the girls, makes their hair all nice and pretty. In some aerosols, you may even be able to see the droplets of the liquid spraying out of the canister. Don't be wasteful. All right, and then some hairsprays come as aerosols. Aerosols. Awesome. So, we will pick up with science tomorrow. I don't think you have any homework tonight. There's only one vocab word, but I think we're going to write that down. Let me peek ahead. Yes, we're going to write that vocab word down in tomorrow night's homework. All right, so we'll check you guys later. Hope you're having a good time, learning lots of stuff, enjoying the lessons from both Mrs. Phillips and I in this new platform. All right, we'll check you guys later. Have a good night.